Hi there, I'm Vincent. Today I'm going to show you the Chinese cabbage, lamb, and fresh tomatoes. So I just chopped the fresh tomatoes, probably 4 or 5 tomatoes. Now I'm going to chop this one. So basically, first of all, you're going to do just cut and make it nice, even. Just cut like there. Oh, it's quite a lot. Good, because it looks a lot. What we're going to do now, afterwards, I'm going to put that in the boiling water and to cook it soft, probably just a few minutes. Okay, come over here. This is boiled water. We just put in there because the cabbage, they're quite hard. So what is now? I'm going to boil for probably 3 or 4 minutes to make it softer. Now I'm going to cut the meat, lamb. It's a piece of lamb, probably like 250 grams. So just I'm going to cut a very thin slide. So for what you know, and got a lot of fat here. So lamb is quite fat, so we're just going to take all the fat out. So all the fat out. So I'm going to now I'm going to chop very thin slide. So it's quite thin. So Chinese cooking, we don't use a lot of meat. So this is basically for whole family and 4 of us. So now this is probably 4 minutes cooking. So now you can see the cabbage, they're a little bit soft now. So later on for Chinese cooking, we don't want to cook too long. It's nice, strong fire, quick stir fry. Okay, so now it's done. Now I'm going to take it out, drain them out, okay? So now I'm going to cook the lamb, Chinese cabbage and tomatoes. So first I'm going to get a nice wok, hot, really hot, get some oil. And so we're going with Chinese cooking, have to make sure oil is really hot because you want a nice quick cook. So now oil gets really hot now, you can see when the steam come out, smoke come out, then the oil is probably 70, 80 degrees, you know. So now I'm going to put them in. So now when the lamb, you can see, they don't have the look pink anymore. So this time now we start to add garlic. So now we have chopped garlic and the ginger. So we put a lot of ginger and garlic, so that has really nice, good flavor, very rich flavor. And so now I'm going to quick stir fry. And I'm going to add spice, the Chinese spice. This is the red pepper. Now I'm going to get white pepper. So now I'm going to add the dark soy sauce to give it a color. Also add a light soy sauce, just probably a teaspoon. Just fry a bit. The next one we'll do now is cabbage. Put this Chinese cabbage, add in. Probably another 2-3 minutes. Now I'm going to add fresh chopped tomatoes. Okay, now see, give it probably 2-3 minutes cook. Now you can see nice color and all blend into it now. So now before finish, we're going to add the salt. Okay, the salt basically, you know, normally it just, you know, how you feel, and you can taste a bit. So with Chinese cooking, it's all about color and smells and the taste. So in terms of taste, the salt. So what I do now, normally if I learn from my dad, we get a bit of sauce here. Another one. So good. That's it. And also get high as well. No? It's nice. So it's good. So now it's done. So we're going to now put here. Keep warm. See you next time.